क्योंकि शिमला से आगे रुकना है.
Hire an adventure for the adventure. Yeah, dude. Vlogger's life, not easy life. So we're in Gurugram or Gurugaon as it was formerly called. Staying at this place in a residential locality. Reserve ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು. Yes. And here we have Yathish. Yeah, dude. Vlogger's life, not easy life. So we're going out for brunch. What is the time, mom? 12 o'clock or 12:30? So it's 12:30. Good night's rest was essential last night. So all that done and sorted. We'll have brunch and we'll go pick Yathish's motorcycle today. This is the locality that we are staying in. It's kind of a gated community. We came, checked in last evening, didn't do anything much, just came out for a walk, had dinner and went to sleep. That's it. So we are headed to Raheja Mall in Gurugaon. Just go hang out, eat. Where is the entry? Here it is. Subway, good option. Sub of the day is nice. ನೋಡು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಲಾಕ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಇದೇ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗಾ? ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಕೊಡು. ತುಂಬಾ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ಕೈ ಜಂಪರ್ ಟ್ರಾಂಪೋಲಿನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಾ? Hey, basement parking ಇದೆಯೋ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ?
अच्छा, वो ये जनवरी का है क्या?
-20 अभी शायद कम है।
हाँ, अभी इतना स्नो नहीं
No,
नहीं
it
रहेगा
is.
ना?
रोड पे थोड़ा कम मिलेगा स्नो। अच्छा है ना, इन दिनों में बाइक नहीं
बाइक नहीं चल पाएगी, इसलिए उन्होंने बोला
माइनस
जनवरी का नहीं हो
क्योंकि
पाएगा।
ठंडी इतनी है
हाँ।
कि गाड़ी में हाथ सुन हो जाते हैं,
हाँ।
इतने कोल्ड हो जाते हैं ना, तो बाइक में तो बहुत बुरा हाल होगा। लेकिन चलो यहाँ तक जाएगी तो लेके जाएंगे।
पेट्रोल है इसमें?
हाँ हाँ, हाफ टैंक है,
हाँ।
बाकी कल जाते जाते फुल करवाएंगे।
कल सुबह कब निकलना है?
सुबह टाइमिंग तो मेरा 5 o'clock रहेगी सुबह,
5 o'clock।
अर्ली,
हाँ।
क्योंकि शिमला से आगे रुकना है।
So we got all things sorted with Yathish's bike. So he's gonna pick his bike. So we came, picked up his Himalayan, finished all formalities at the office of the agency who is organizing this ride, and we're all set. So there Yathish is on his Valentine for the next 8 days or 10 days or how much ever we'll be riding. He's hired the RE Himalayan for the adventure. So he's made sure to hire an adventure for the adventure. So we have a small shopping which has to be completed. So we just finish this tiny shopping here, some essentials for the adventure, because it's not a normal adventure that you do on a daily basis. This is something beyond that. We just finish that and head back to the hotel, get a good night's rest, since we'll be starting early in the morning. Our ride will begin. So then, see you guys in the morning. I'll just finish off for the day.